Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another delicious healthy treat in store for you today, but first of all, I just want to start off by saying that I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy in this self-isolation times that we're having right now. It's crazy times right now, but we're trying to stay positive and we will get through it together. There will be a light at the end of the tunnel, so just trying to stay positive, stay healthy, active. Yeah, we got this, guys. Okay, so we are making chickpea brownies today. I have to say, I'm sporting my PEI apron. It's my little piece of home. How cute is this? I freaking love it. So, I got my tire ready. I got all my ingredients ready. Yeah, these are my favorite snack, and like, I don't know if it's just the stress eating or just being a woman. I'm craving chocolate like crazy, and these, no guilt. They are healthy, they are so yummy, and they satisfy the craving. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, so just going over the ingredients quickly first. So I like to be organized myself, so I recommend doing that. It just makes the recipe go a bit smoother and faster. So first we got almond flour, coconut. Also, I'll go over all the measurements as I'm putting them into the blender. So almond milk, no, ignore that. Almond flour, coconut oil, cocoa, some baking soda, baking powder, got some chocolate chips, almond butter, vanilla, a whole can of chickpeas, which I already rinsed and drained, and then some sea salt. And that is all you need. So it's super simple, super easy. It's a blender recipe. So yeah, let's get mixing her up. Okay guys, so now we're gonna put everything into the blender. And just to let you know, I'm going to be looking at my phone. I've made this recipe probably about 10 times, and there's no way I'm going to remember it. So I will be just gazing at my phone just to make sure I'm putting the right amounts in. So first, we're gonna put the chickpeas that were already rinsed and drained into, I have a Ninja, but whatever blender you have at home is fine. A food processor would be best, but I don't have one of those either. But the Ninja works amazing. So, chickpeas, and then we have a half a cup of the almond butter, but any nut butter that you have at home is fine. So, scoop half a cup of that in. Where is my spoon? So, nut butter is so healthy for you, but I actually hate it. It's just so messy. The oil, and then you have to mix it up and it gets everywhere. Not a fan. One more scoop. Okay, so it's half a cup there. So you're gonna put that whole half a cup in. And also, when I was going over the ingredients, I totally forgot maple syrup, and that is included. So I'm just killing it today. So we forgot that. I'm gonna throw that right in the sink. I have such a habit of cleaning as I go because I have OCD and I cannot leave a mess. Okay, so we have a half a cup of maple syrup, so I'm gonna need that one back. Okay, so half a cup of that. This is the pure maple syrup. It's pretty delicious, as any maple syrup is. Okay, half a cup of that. And then we got 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil. So I'm going to put some in the bowl first and then measure it. That's just how I roll. Okay guys, so today is not my day. My memory card was full. So I lost the whole last video I did. So everything is already mixed in there. So yeah, I'm just going to go over the measurements of the last 2 ingredients. And then that will be that. And then we'll mix everything up. So we had 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and all the wet ingredients are in. So now we'll blend it up, and then we'll do the dry ingredients after that. So I got my little helper in the kitchen again today, my little dance partner, my buddy. You excited to try some brownies? You want some brownies? You're so precious. Okay guys, so now that our wet ingredients are blended, we are going to add in the dry ingredients. So we have 1/4 cup of almond flour. I get the big Costco bag because I bake so much. So 1/4 of that just right into the mix. And then we have 1/4 of a cup of cocoa powder. Just like that. And then we have 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder, and then 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. And then just a little sprinkle of sea salt, 1/2 teaspoons-ish. Okay, and then we're gonna blend all that together. Okay guys, so now that you have your mixture all set to go, we really should have done this at the first, but as I said, I'm having a day and I forgot to preheat my oven. So 180 degrees Fahrenheit. We will preheat that now, give it a few minutes while we're getting the rest ready. So bake at 180. Okay, while that's preheating, we're gonna get our dish all set. So to grease it, I just use a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I sprinkle a little bit in there. You can use like coconut oil, cooking spray, whatever you want, but I just ran out of spray, so we'll use this. This will do the job. So just so they don't stick, that should be good. And then we are going to pour the batter into the pan. So whenever it was thick there in my blender, I just added a little bit of water. I really need to invest in a food processor. So for now, I just added a little bit of water, like maybe a tablespoon-ish, and that did the trick. It's all mixed now, good to go. So yeah, we'll pour that in there. It's gonna be thick what you want. Okay guys, so you can mix the chocolate chips into the batter, but I like to sprinkle them just on top. I use dark chocolate chips. Just make sure that you don't put them in the blender. Just either sprinkle them on top or just mix them by hand after. Okay, that should be giving me a couple extra. You guys know me, like my extra chocolate chips. Okay, so that's done. Just a little sprinkle of sea salt I like to add on top too, just like that. And then I'm feeling sprinkles today. You don't have to put these on, but I have all the different colors, so I think I might do pink and purple actually. Just a little bit of each. Sprinkle a little bit of purple. Look how pretty. Okay, now our oven is all set, so we'll pop that in the oven. Hey guys, so brownies are complete. They look amazing. They're a little bit messy, but they are so, like the most moist brownie you'll ever try. So good. I did discover though on the recipe it did say 180, but I found they cook better at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. So I recommend that. I'm going to sneak away and eat one. If you like this video, please subscribe down below, and there will be more videos coming your way. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a yummy, delicious treat. That's the same word. I just want to start off by saying I hope everybody is staying healthy and safe in this